Quality and service have been the foundation of Clarksville Collision Center since they opened their doors in 1972, and they live by those promises every day to exceed your expectations for collision repair. Clarksville Collision offers a highly trained collision repair staff to ensure every vehicle is repaired to factory specifications. In addition, their expert staff works with all insurance carriers to ensure your vehicle is properly and safely repaired to exact standards, and are preferred providers for many of the leading insurance companies of North America. When you pick your vehicle up after repairs, you will be delighted with how great it looks. Extreme care is given to every vehicle that goes through their shop to ensure your safety and satisfaction. Their state-of-the-art repair facility is conveniently located a few minutes off the I-265 bypass in Clarksville, Indiana. The customers of Clarksville Collision Center are always greeted with a smile and treated with respect. They value your satisfaction and your safety. This is what makes them stand out from the rest. If you're involved in a collision, call Clarksville Collision Center or visit their website at clarksvillecollision.com.